Hi everybody, you'll be thrilled to know it is time to create your Victorian story. So you've got loads and loads of things that you can put in there. You've got your facts from the Victorian Christmas recipe at the beginning. You've got the other person's facts, whoever you shared them with. So you've got a whole collection of facts that you can pepper through your story. You know your main character, what they like, what they don't like, what their typical day is like, what's really important to them, what items they'd leave for somebody in the future to find. You know your villain, you've made up your horrible villain, and that might have given you ideas for story and danger and drama and conflict and how to make your story a page turner and a thriller and really exciting for the reader. You've got your cover, so you know what kind of mood you're trying to create with your story. You might have put down some words on your storyboard as well. All you have to do is write your story. It's as simple as that. So using all those elements, put them all in together and create the best story you can possibly come up with. Good luck. I'd love to see them if you'd like to share them with me. Happy writing. Bye.